Balmex Complete Protection Diaper Rash Cream Zinc by Balmex is one of the best baby diaper creams and ointments products. Balmex Zinc Oxide Diaper Rash Cream with aloe and vitamin E is specially formulated to reduce redness and help soothe and heal diaper rash. Its creamy formula provides a protective barrier to neutralize irritants that can cause diaper rash. And it's made to moisturize and nourish the skin. Balmex goes on smooth, wipes off easily, and has a pleasant, baby scent. Contains 16 ounces. Jar Balmex Complete Protection Zinc Oxide Diaper Rash Cream, Advanced Formula. Protects against all 3 leading causes of diaper rash. Reduces diaper rash in just 1 change. Trusted by moms for over 50 years. Pediatrician recommended. Balmex Complete Protection Zinc Oxide Diaper Rash Cream provides quick relief for the irritation of diaper rash. It protects against the 3 main causes of diaper rash. It also helps heal existing rash by preventing enzymes from aggravating the rash further. Balmex Complete Protection provides your newborn, infant, baby or toddler with quick relief and protection from chafing and friction caused by diaper rash in just 1 diaper change. Balmex is hypoallergenic to safely protect your baby's sensitive skin. Balmex is a cream, not a paste, and creates a smooth barrier against irritation caused by wet, disposable or cloth diapers without the need for excessive wiping. Keep your newborn skin baby soft with Balmex Complete Protection Zinc Oxide Diaper Rash Cream. Quality you can trust. You'll always want to have Balmex on hand to calm baby skin against diaper rashes and irritation. The manufacturer's diaper rash creams and multi-purpose ointments have been recommended by doctors for over 50 years.